Hi and welcome to Dan's Diagnostics. Today we're in a 2022 Mazda CX-5. I'm going to show you how to put the media screen into diagnostic mode. So there we can see the media screen. Down here we've got our controls. What we need to do is we need to be pressing the power button with the music button, and then when the media screen goes black, we're going to press and hold the favourites button. This all gets done at once, and I'll show you how to do that now. So we press the power button and the music button, then the favourites when the screen goes black, and there you go. You can see we're now in diagnostic test mode or factory service inspection. We can flick through all these different options. We're able to check different statuses and signals within the vehicle. Steering inspection, touchpad commander inspection. We can even do a navigation system inspection. Testing the radio. Speaker check, we'll do that now. So just click OK by pushing the middle button down. And there you go, you can hear all the different speakers now beeping. If you need to come back out of the settings, we just need to click the back button, and if we push this one down, this is how we select the different options. You see all the different things you're able to click on. I just thought it were quite cool, and I'd like to show it you all. Cheers guys. If you liked today's video, then please don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, hit the little bell notification, then you get notified when I next upload a video. And I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.